Hi, I wanted to address a question that's been coming up pretty frequently in my search engine optimization seminars. What the question is how do I make these modifications that you're doing for us right now to my web pages when my web pages and my files are not on my computer, or they're not actually on my computer's hard drive. What that question means in the context of that question is in the search engine optimization seminars, what I like to do is I like to work in front of the class, and I like to do something like this. I open up, I access the code of these web pages in something like Notepad or Dreamweaver, and I add the keywords in certain places, like in the title tag and in the paragraph tags and the heading tags from those programs. But some people that use WordPress loads directly from the cloud onto the hosting domain. So you're never going to actually have these pages on your computer or on your hard drive. So how do I get those onto my hard drive so I can make the modifications the way I did in class? Well, that's actually pretty simple. What you're going to do is you're going to use a program called FileZilla. Okay, this is where you download FileZilla. FileZilla-project.org, and it downloads just like any other piece of software downloads. This is what it looks like once you've got it up and running. And to access your files that is on your host server, all you need to do is you add your host in this box right here. You add your username in this second box, and you add your password in this third box, and then you hit Quick Connect. Okay. If you've lost this information, if this information's just somehow been misplaced in the shuffle, you can contact your domain, whoever's hosting your domain, and that could be GoDaddy or whoever that is, and they'll send that to you. Okay, right here, this is what's on your web server. Right here, that's on the right side. Okay, what's here on the left side, that's everything that's on your hard drive. Okay, so to get this is a domain that I don't use anymore, and I've added 3 files just to make a point to show how you can do this. To get these files onto my hard drive, all I need to do is go on to my computer, my documents, or wherever you want to go. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to in this case, I'm just going to call this one website. And I'm going to go over here, and in this little rectangle here, I can navigate around, and I can actually access that folder. And this is navigating right in my hard drive. Okay, you can see that it's empty. If I look over here in that folder that I just set up, it's also empty. Okay, I'm going to take those files, these internet files, and I'm going to pull them from right to left. I'm going to pull the first one, the second one, then I'm going to pull the third one. And I also want to be certain to pull any information that those websites or those web pages access, and in this case it's just my images. Okay, well, and that's all you need to do. If you look right here on that folder I set up, there's the files. I can just kind of click on them, and I can right click, and I can open up Notepad, and I can open up Dreamweaver, and I can make those modifications and do exactly what I did in class. I hope that's useful for you. I've got to jump really quickly right now. I got a meeting I'm a little bit late for, but I hope this was useful for everyone. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.